If you've ever wondered how to apply Rec. 709 in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to switch your project color space to Rec. 709 SDR so your footage looks more accurate and consistent when you export it. This is especially useful if your colors look washed out, too dark, or different after rendering. And before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials, just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, make sure nothing is selected on your timeline. Just click an empty area so no clips are highlighted. This matters because you want to access the project settings, not edit a specific clip. Once everything is deselected, look toward the top right panel and find the details box. This is where CapCut shows important project information and settings. In that panel, click the Modify button at the bottom. After you click Modify, a new window will open with more advanced project options. Now, look for the color space setting. This is the key step. From the available options, choose Rec. 709 SDR. Rec. 709 is the standard color space used for most online video delivery, including YouTube, so selecting it helps keep your colors looking more natural and predictable. Once you've selected Rec. 709 SDR, click Save to apply the change to your project. At this point, your timeline is now set up with the correct color space. But we're not done yet, because there's one more important place to check before exporting. Go to the top right corner of the screen and click Export. This opens the Export Settings window. In the Export panel, scroll down until you find the color space section again. Make sure it is explicitly set to Rec. 709 SDR here as well. This step is important because even if your project settings are correct, your export settings should match so the final render stays consistent. Take a second to verify it carefully before you continue. Once you've confirmed that the export color space is Rec. 709 SDR, you can go ahead and render your video with confidence. This should help preserve the look of your edit and avoid unexpected color shifts in the final file. So to quickly recap, deselect everything on the timeline, open the Details panel, click Modify, choose Rec. 709 SDR, save it, then open Export and verify the color space is also set to Rec. 709 SDR before rendering. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tips, tricks, and editing workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.